Alright guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be working on the ATV and we've already started it. I got a video on it. We'll put it probably near the end of the video or something. But for now we're just going to connect the muffler and connect some of the bits and pieces, make sure it's all good to go. Additionally, going to make sure all the electronics work. We're going to connect all those up, make sure they all work, see if it runs. But I'm super excited, guys. So yeah, this project's pretty close to being done. I mean, there's some body work I gotta do. We probably gotta paint the fenders and stuff again, and put some clear coat on it, clear it up. But that's not for this video. So yeah, let's take a look at it. All right, guys, so yeah, we're gonna have to connect the muffler up because it was loose. We do have some of the wiring already connected. As you can see, the important stuff at least. I'm going to take a look and see if I can remove the remote start or the remote kill switch, just because we don't have the remote for it. So it's either I'm gonna see if I can delete it and if it will work, or if I have to order another one. And if I have to order another one, I was looking online and it's gonna take a while to get in. So we'll see if we can bypass that somehow or whatever. I'm gonna get a battery properly kind of connected and get stuff a little bit more proper. We do have the car battery, which we use it to start. Based on how things kind of went before, I don't know if the ATV battery I got for this is strong enough to turn it over, even though it's technically the proper size and everything. So yeah, we'll get things fixed up. So this light, I never showed you guys, but the underside, I don't know if you see if we can get an underside shot. No, it's very, very dark, but I used JB Weld to, because all the plastic was kind of cracked on the other side. I don't know if you can see any cracks up here. No. You can see a little bit of JB Weld kind of in here, right there. So I coated the underside, all in these grooves and stuff with JB Weld. It seems to be holding and fixed nicely, and actually got it properly connected because I JB welded the bolt in there, and then so it's on there pretty good. It seems to work. So so we're waiting for a couple parts to come in for this. So as you can see, the back we have the reflectors. I ordered 2 new reflectors for the front. They connect somewhere up there. Yep. So one there and one there. We're waiting for those to come in. Those are going to come in January sometime. We ordered those way before Christmas. All right, so what's on this side that we gotta connect? A lot of stuff is already kind of connected. So as you can see here, it looks like an electronic brake. So we are going to have to probably press the brake, depress the brake to make sure everything's working, make sure all that's working. If we have to, we'll probably bleed the brakes. Start this puppy up. See if she fires. She already fired. She sounds mean. Let's get her. I'm gonna get her here. Ready? Chris, buddy, now we gotta get your bad boy ripping. This thing sounds mean. Mind you, the muffler's not on, so that's probably why, but let's get your little ATV fucking started side by side. We're getting her running today, bye.